Hello, students. Today we are going to learn about computer care and maintenance and computer security and privacy. Firstly, let us understand how we can take care of a computer device. Firstly, how to keep it clean. Be careful with food and drinks. Handle the device carefully. Keep the computer cool. Do not overcharge the battery of your laptops. Always plug in devices carefully. Do not run too many programs at the same time. Basic tips for taking care of a device. Prepare a maintenance schedule. Back up your data. Scanning and cleaning viruses. Increasing computer performance and removing spam from your computer device. We store a lot of information on computer and electronic devices. If any of this information gets lost or leaked and falls into the wrong hands, it can cause a lot of harm to the people. Reasons for security break. Personal information can be lost or leaked in two ways. We are not careful in giving out personal information over the internet. Secondly, a person gets unauthorized access to our computer. There are several threats to the computer. Let us know more about them. Theft. First is physical, where a person may steal your desktop computer or laptop. Second, identity, where a hacker steals your personal information and assumes your identity. Using this false identity, a hacker can gain access to your account information or perform illegal activity. Lastly, software piracy. This is stealing of software and includes using or disturbing unlicensed and unauthorized copies of a computer program or software. Viruses. Viruses are computer programs that can damage the data and software programs or steal the information stored on your computer. Major types of viruses are: first is worms. These are viruses that replicate themselves and spread to all the files once they attack a computer. Trojan virus. A Trojan horse disguises itself, that is, it appears to be a useful software program, but once it reaches a computer, it starts behaving like a virus and destroys the data. Online predator. Online predators are people who trap you into inappropriate relationships. They may be older people posing to be your age, bullying you into doing illegal activities online. Internet scams. Sometimes you may receive very attractive offers saying you that you have won a huge amount in a lottery and that you can claim the prize by depositing a certain amount of money. When you deposit the money using your online banking or cards, you not only lose the deposit money, but your information may also be misused later. How to protect your data. First, use passwords to log in your computer. Second, install antivirus and firewall that can monitor the data coming in and out of your computer. Third, encrypt the data. This is usually done by banks and companies in which important customer information is stored. Lastly, secure sites. Give details of your credit card or bank accounts only on the secure sites. Thank you.